According to Maricopa County Department of Public Health, 8 heat-related deaths have been reported since May 2023. In 2022, the county reported 425 heat-related deaths. The rate saw a 25% increase from the 339 reported deaths in 2021.
Reporter Ariana Araiza introduces us to the men and women stepping up to help address heat-related health concerns people experiencing homelessness face.
In areas with large populations of people experiencing homelessness like the Zone in downtown Phoenix, continuous heat advisories are a real threat. Zephaniah English McConville says the heat was so intense recently, he had to call 911 for help.
I'm on the ground, okay? I'm dead, I'm beat. I feel like my lung is out of my body right now.
Nonprofits like Circle the City offer free health care to people experiencing homelessness. In the summertime, they focus more on heat-related issues.
We tend to see a lot of exacerbation of wounds, specifically on the feet related to heat. If our patients don't have adequate shoes or they're just going out shoeless, they tend to develop burns.
When their mobile unit sits near Human Services campus in the summertime, they bring supplies to help combat the heat.
Also have adequate supply of water, Gatorade, hydration sets, things like that.
We have cooling towels and water bottles and sunscreen and electrolyte packets and things that we distribute in the encampment and also at our fixed place locations.
Catherine Miller works with a nonprofit, Street Medicine Phoenix, and she says they go to where people are living no matter the temperature. While the city has a lot of cooling stations and places for rest, many of these people are unwilling or unable to travel to escape the heat.
When we go out, we go to the tents themselves. So in the encampment specifically, we go up to people living in the tents.
Zephaniah says the heat brings out a different side of people.
So it affects people and it has a ripple effect.
Nonprofits like these two continue to help address the needs of this vulnerable population. In Phoenix, Ariana Araiza, Cronkite News.
Phoenix's cleanup plan to clear the zone concerns healthcare workers who say they believe those living on the street will be placed further away from help, leaving them in a more vulnerable state.